To all my booskies, boos, boo things, and booettes, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so I decided to do a quick search for a cute fall sneaker, and these were right up my alley. So I found these on Bloomingdale's, but you can get them from Saks and a couple other stores as well. Okay, here I'm just doing a quick little overview of how the shoe looks fresh out the box. This shoe was $490. They're very cute. It has the word Burberry on the right side of the shoe on the right foot and on the left side of the shoe on the left foot. The dust bag that it comes with is super cute. It's like a light pale Easter green color, great for storage for if you have travel, so don't forget to pack it with you when you travel. I'm just going to slip these on my feet really quickly so you guys can see how they look with pants on. I have my work pants on right here. I came fresh from work, so when they came in the mail I decided to open them really quick so that you guys can see how they look on my feet. Alrighty, so they are on my feet, and this is the ground level view. This is the right side. Go ahead, girl, lift that leg up. Pow. Boom. Left side view. And round and round. Go ahead, show them off, girl, now. Show them what you're working with. All right, now lift those pants legs up. You got to show off the ankles. So this is just showing you how good it would look with a skinny pant or with a boot cut style pant as well. Right now, and turn. Pow. This is a cute shoe. What do you guys think? So that is it for this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.